Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how you can integrate Axe and Selenium to enable web accessibility testing using Python library. So to do that, first install axe-selenium-python using pip install axe-selenium-python. Once you're done installing, go to your code, import WebDriver from Selenium, import Axe from axe_selenium_python. Specify the browser that you want to run your accessibility test on. Here we are doing it using Firefox. Then specify the URL where you want to run your accessibility test on. We're doing it today on Google, so it's driver.get https://www.google.com. Then initialize the driver. Inject Axe code JavaScript into the page using the command x.inject. Now run your accessibility test using the command axe.run. Once you're done running, save your results in a11y.json file. And then we run assertions if there are no violations found, or if violations are found, we report the number of violations. And then finally, driver.quit. So let's run this particular test. So Python axe.py is how you run it. Now this will open Google in Firefox and capture all the accessibility issues that you have. You'll be able to get a list of all the issues. All of these issues will also be cascaded into the a11y.json file. And if you see here, we have found 7 accessibility issues on the Google page. So if you see this particular JSON file, which has been generated after you run the script, you should be able to see the list of all the errors. Now let's take an example of the error that you get here. So this error says, ensure elements with ARIA roles have all ARIA attributes. Now why this ARIA attributes are needed is basically for your screen readers. So if a person is blind, they use screen readers for their assistance. Now if ARIA attributes are missing, then it becomes difficult for the screen readers to capture these elements. So in this example, for this error, this particular attribute, ARIA expanded, is not present. So how do you find this out? We get to the target, which is .glfy.f. Now I've already opened up the Google homepage, have inspected this element and used the Axe DevTools extension so that it's easier for us to identify. Now this particular issue, required ARIA attributes must be provided. So it is for this particular element which does not have the particular attribute. So the JSON file captures this particular thing, tells you as well that ARIA expanded attribute is not present. You can find out what this element is by simply typing in the particular target value, and then you should be able to know where exactly this accessibility issue is. So that's about it. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe.